Welcome to Codroid Labs, your trusted Zoho partner. Today, we're diving into a massive shift in CRM data.
So imagine a workday where you never manually log into your CRM to update records. Sounds kind of impossible?
We're ditching the exhausting copy-pasting. The new way? AI handles everything seamlessly right inside Bigin for you. Let's demystify MCP, or Model Context Protocol. It's basically a super secure bridge between your data and AI. This protocol securely links your existing CRM directly to popular models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Windsurf. It's a total game changer. We're moving from AI that just chats to an agent that literally executes tasks. Just use plain English, tell it to follow up with leads, launch emails, or outline daily priorities instantly. It triggers this crazy multi-app domino effect. One action creates a time-saving cascade across all your connected platforms. Literally one prompt can close a deal, bill the client, start a project, and alert your team simultaneously. But what about complex reports? Do you actually need an analyst for insights or hours of free time? Nope, with MCP, you just ask. It surfaces precise analytics like win rates from your data in seconds. Instead of blasting everyone, AI targets specific buyers based on past behavior. Your outreach gets incredibly smart, instantly. Managers instantly see real pipeline health, no more guesswork or manual audits to find out what needs nudging. So the core philosophy here is simple. Stop doing the manual busy work and just tell your AI. You can literally start using this today. So what are you going to ask ChatGPT to do for you?